Humanity's worst problems are poverty and sickness. Today, half the world, nearly 3 billion people, live in absolute poverty. Many of the world's diseases are the result of poverty, as people lack awareness of proper nutrition and access to basic health care systems. According to UNICEF, 11 million children die each year due to poverty, while 790 million people still suffer from malnutrition. Furthermore, heart diseases, diabetes, stroke and cancer, especially colon cancer, remain as the world's top killers. These chronic diseases used to be common among rich countries, but 4 out of 5 sufferers now live in poorer countries. Rates are on the rise because of unhealthy lifestyles, excessive consumption of calorie-loaded foods, and living in polluted environments. It has been said that health is wealth, but how can you be healthy if you cannot afford it? How do we free ourselves from this entrapment? Most importantly, where do we begin? In the next few minutes, you are about to discover that you, yes, you can be a part of the solution. Together, we can help make things happen with Edmark. Edmark International is the leader in overcoming poverty and obesity. Its mission of helping people succeed in health, wealth, and total well-being has provided unlimited income opportunities for people. And all of them are a testament of restored health and well-being via its health-benefiting products and its life-changing Edmark education system. Its vision is to establish the Edmark City, a promising community with lifestyle of advancement, creativity with the latest technology, freedom with discipline, sharing and caring, and most importantly, founded on the 4 pillars of gratitude, abundance, love, and compassion. It has an empowering environment conducive for realizing your life's full potentials. Edmark International has a proven track record of innovation and advancement since 1984. From its inception as Ever Dynamic Marketing, an inventor and manufacturer in Malaysia, to gaining world recognition for its As Seen on TV products, to becoming trusted supplier of useful and novelty products to more than 25 countries across the globe, to having first-class product demonstration in malls, world trade shows and exhibitions, to successfully meeting the requirements of GMP Codex Alimentarius, duly tested and verified by the SGS, and to establishing veritable network marketing business communities in the Philippines, Hong Kong, and the Middle East. Edmark International continues to expand rapidly in different parts of the world. No matter where you live, Edmark International can be your steady partner in leading a life of health, wealth, and total well-being. Everything starts and ends with the state of our health. Our physical appearance is a direct manifestation of our well-being. When we are slim and healthy, we are more energetic and more capable of doing the things we enjoy the most. But when we are overweight or obese, we are more prone to heart risk diseases, high blood cholesterol, diabetes, and colon cancer, among many other illnesses. Edmark's healthy living products are geared towards weight management, slimming, and overall fitness. It works through the synergy of 4-step power slimming and health program. First is detoxification. Second is burning of fats. Third is balancing of acid-alkaline levels. And the fourth is rejuvenation. For detoxification or cleansing, we have Shake Off Phytofiber, an all-natural superior colon cleansing health drink that flushes out all the toxins from our colons, thus preventing constipation and colon cancer. For burning of fats and complete nutrition, we have MRT Complex or Meal Replacement Therapy. It is a delicious low-calorie and high-soluble nutritional drink with complete vitamins, proteins, and energy-releasing amino acids that burns fats. Therefore, it reduces weight safely, fast, and effectively while avoiding the hunger pangs. For balancing our body's acid-alkaline levels and increased oxygen supply, we have Splina Liquid Chlorophyll. And finally, for rejuvenation and lowering down bad cholesterol, we have Edmark Cafe and Regist Coffee. Edmark Cafe with ginseng extract helps in the body's overall rejuvenation and is also a great energy booster. Red Yeast Coffee reduces bad cholesterol and helps improve blood circulation. These products, when taken all together with proper diet and exercise, heal from the cellular level to total wellness, leading to a sound mind, a healthy body, and a nourished spirit. Edmark International offers not only health-benefiting products, but also the opportunity for you to attain financial independence. Through network marketing, Edmark International provides opportunities, enhances lifestyles, builds futures, creates millionaires, and most importantly, offers uncommon freedom. Our marketing plan gives you 9 great bonuses from personal consumption of the products, retail sales, and sponsoring, totaling up to 71% total payout, the highest in the industry today. This is the path to financial freedom, where your yearly income can become your monthly income. Many of our distributors or members have qualified and are enjoying the car fund. Our marketing plan also takes care of your dream home. Do you like to travel and see the world for free with your family and loved ones? Our travel fund fulfills your dreams. How about sending your children to further education? How about your personal development and improvement? Being an Edmark International distributor or member entitles you to automatic enrollment into the Edmark University of Success. Our education system will equip you with knowledge and skills not only for the Edmark business, but also to succeed in life. In the end, you will not only have wealth, but also all the time and health to pursue whatever you really want to do and be. This is uncommon freedom. We believe that you truly deserve a happy, healthy, and wealthy life. Join our growing League of Champions in overcoming poverty and obesity. Come and join Edmark now. Thank you for spending the time to watch this video presentation.